Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Raquel Altia and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this super tasty honeycomb filled in with condensed milk. So without further ado, let's start with our recipe. In a large bowl, you're going to add all the dry ingredients: 2 cups of plain flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of custard powder, a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1 tablespoon of yeast. Then mix all the dry ingredients very well. Then afterwards, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of blue band. Continue mixing. Lastly, you're going to pour 1 cup of warm milk gradually. Pour the milk while mixing until everything is nicely combined and you get a dough. Once you get that dough, add a tablespoon or a teaspoon of blue band to make your dough more softer. Knead the dough until the dough becomes super soft and stretchy. Once the dough is soft, let the dough to rest for like 10 minutes. Then afterwards, you're going to cut the dough into small pieces like so. Then you're going to take your curry cheese or any cheese that you prefer. Cut the cheese into small pieces. Take one tiny dough at a time, stretch it out and fill in the cheese as you can able to see in the video. Repeat the same process until you're done. Take a baking pan, apply some butter or blue band, then fill the pan with those cheese balls and let the dough to rest for like 10 minutes before baking it. After 10 minutes, you're going to apply some milk, then drizzle some sesame or anything you like for the decoration, and it's high time to bake our comb. You're going to bake the comb at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes or until the bread has a nice golden brown color. After 20 minutes or once your bread has this amazing golden brown color, remove it from the oven and it's high time to drizzle that condensed milk or honey. I'm going to drizzle the condensed milk while the bread is too hot so that condensed milk can able to dissolve in with the bread. I'm going to cut a piece so you can able to see how super soft this comb was. Oh my goodness, like this bread was so tasty, and I hope you guys are going to try out this recipe. And if you're going to try out this recipe, please kindly come back to the comment section and let me know. And don't forget to like, subscribe and follow me on all my social media platforms. I use Raquel Altia, and see you next time. Bye.